Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday. Today we are going to dive into my bin and talk about what I have been warming and diffusing over the last week. So I did say diffusing, so let's go ahead and start with the oils first, one of which is a fragrance flower. Now I don't have the actual flower with me, I have it downstairs, but if you remember my last what I've been warming situation where we dove into my bin, you will have seen I had a dried out fragrance flower and I didn't share with you a replacement because I forgot to replace it until this week. So I decided to whip out my Christmas Cottage fragrance flower. It is so nice, you guys. I love it. Now our fragrance flowers, they're essentially like a reed diffuser, but much prettier because it's a pretty flower. There's two different designs and I love them. I think they're great. I think they're great for bathrooms or small spaces. Now they're not room filling like wax and warmers are, but if you don't have access to an outlet or maybe you're really sensitive and the waxes with the warmers can be a little bit overpowering, the fragrance flowers are a really nice option. They're also a really great affordable gift option as well, but I myself love them in my home. So I am diffusing the Christmas Cottage oil and the fragrance flowers. And so far so good. I really love them. So the other oils that we were actually diffusing in the diffusers, we've got a few here. So I broke into love at first bite. I know. This is not winter appropriate, but that's okay. So it's okay. It's not my favorite. It's an apple, but there's another, like, I almost pick up like a cherry from this. Now just smelling it straight from the bottle, I hate it. Here's the thing with our oils, they are going to smell more tolerable when they're in a diffuser, because here's the thing, this is very concentrated. This is straight up oil. You need to just put a few drops into your diffuser. Then it's going to smell the way it's supposed to. But it smells like an apple and cherry kind of scent. It's fine. I'll be happy when I get through it, but I'm about like a quarter of the way down. So we've got some more diffusing to do. So love at first bite, I went through a little bit of that. I also got through Cotton Blossom Tangerine. This one is such a nice clean type oil fragrance. And this was really nice in the bedroom. Loved it. This is, I would say if you like those more like clean laundry type scents, and maybe you do have an oil diffuser, I would definitely recommend this one. Cotton Blossom Tangerine, really good. Another one of my favorites is Cardamom and Vanilla. Any of the vanilla based scents in all the things are gonna be my favorite, but I do really like this one because there is that little added kind of spice note from the cardamom, which is really nice. So this one I love. I am right about halfway there, so love that. And then I am working through two of my my limited edition oils here. So Graham Cracker Crumble is like to die for. Love this one. I'm glad I picked up another collection of these because this oil collection was amazing and this one alone is so good. Oh, it's so good. I wish Scentsy made this in a wax. Amazing. And then the Rosemary Shortbread. This is another really good one. You smell the rosemary, but then you also get that kind of bakery bread note as well, so it's really good. Rosemary on its own, I don't care for, because at one point we had done like a spring and summer brick collection that was like rosemary and something, and it was too much rosemary, but this, I can get down with this, because there's that like bakery bread note, which I love. So nice, and there's like an added sweetness. Let's talk wax. So you guys know that I have been working my booty off on getting through some bricks. I always challenge myself every single week. I don't necessarily have to finish a brick, but I need to at least work on one of my bricks every single week. And I did that. I finished one and I'm almost done with another one. So I did finish a sugar cookie brick, And this, you'll see it says Scentsy VIP. This is from the subscription, so from our Scentsy Club subscription. So there are, through the Scentsy Club subscription service, there are our like best-selling fragrances that are available in the brick size, but it's only through Scentsy Club specifically. So definitely check that out. So Sugar Cookie is definitely one that I am always happy to have in a brick because Sugar Cookie by itself smells amazing. It's also a fantastic mixer. And this just smells exactly like what you would expect. It smells like a delicious vanilla-based sugar cookie. So good. Oh, so good. Love, love, love. Love that one. So finished that up. Felt super, super satisfying. One, and I'm sure some of you are probably like, really? You left 2 cubes? I think what I'll do is I'll finish these up in my bedroom, I think, because this is not going to fill the warmers downstairs by any means, but easily like either here in this room or in our bedroom, I can finish these up. But so probably next week. It's not going to be in the bedroom. Well, potentially. Sean hates this scent. And I'm so sad about it. Sugar Plum Berry. This one was available during the holiday brick promotion last year. I love this scent and I was so sad. I don't remember him commenting on disliking it last year. Oh, I just love this. This is a really pretty sugar plum scent meets a Christmas tree. I don't know why he doesn't like it. He likes fruity scents. I think it's the tree note that he's like, he's Scrooge. I love my husband. You guys love my husband, especially if you hang out with us on the weekends during the vlogs. But he's a bit of a Scrooge. He's a bit of a Scrooge. And not that like he hates the holidays. I don't know. He's just a Scrooge. Love him, but he didn't like this one. As soon as he came in, he was like, what? What is happening? He's like, it's too much. There's too much of it and it smells awful. I'm like, oh gosh, tell me how you really feel. I love this. I may put it in the bedroom because he may be going out of town one of the days next week. So that would be but it's a powerhouse too. It lasts for I'm gonna have to do it in here or in the office where he's not gonna be offended by this. But Sugar Plum Berry, I was really sad to see it not come back this year. I know a lot of you did add this to your Scentsy Club. I actually didn't add it to my Scentsy Club. Maybe that's why. Maybe I warmed it last year and he hated it. I don't know. But I was so sad because it smells so good. Oh, Sean's fired. Okay, what else did we get through? Let's talk about a little bit of a Womp Womp because everything else is good. The Scents of the Season collection. Unfortunately, the Scents of the Season collection with the cute little Santa bag and I think still, last time I checked, there's just one scent that's remaining. So these two by themselves are no longer available. Gingerbread Hugs and Cookies for Santa. Let's talk about this. So when I first smelled these, I was like, okay, like the Gingerbread Hugs took me by surprise because I thought for sure like this was going to be my least favorite and I thought this was going to be my most favorite, next to Wassail Wonderland, which by the way, last I checked, that's the one that's still remaining. I'm shocked it's still remaining, but honestly, I feel like it could sell out at any moment. So like I said, while I'm recording this, I think it is still, but maybe not. Anyways, I thought Cookies for Santa was going to be like my jam. It's not. It's not my jam. There is some kind of a weird note in this that it's very off-putting. It's just to me personally in my sniffer. If this works for you, I am super jealous because I really wanted to love this. I didn't even really want to warm this on its own. Now I do still have, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna love this. So I bought individual bars of both of these as well as red berries. And I bought individual bars as well as like the collection. So I don't know. I thought maybe mixing these two would help Cookies for Santa, and it does, but to be honest, I feel like the Cookies for Santa kind of brought down the Gingerbread Hugs because this is really nice on its own. I haven't warmed this completely on its own yet. I just out of an experiment, I wanted to just mix these two together, and I don't love it. I don't even really like it, to be honest. It's going in here right now. That's why I'm like, I don't even really like it. I don't like it. Maybe it'll grow on me. I don't think it will. And some of you may be asking, well, what is it in the Cookies for Santa? Because you love bakery. I love all things bakery. But this just, there's some kind of a weird, like sour almost note in this. I don't know what it is. So like I said, I still have some bars of it. So I may try warming it on its own. Who knows? It could come alive. I have no idea. But as of right now, this is kind of a womp. Womp, womp. So, all right, let's talk about more things. Something totally random. I went through a bar of Picked For You. Picked For You was actually a Mother's Day scent exclusive. And it's totally a spring and summer scent. This is a sweet floral. And I was just feeling like I wanted a sweet floral. This one was going in the bedroom and it was absolutely beautiful. Love it. This was in my club. I believe I removed it. That's just because I feel like this wasn't unique enough, since he comes out with beautiful sweet floral fragrances every season, every spring and summer season. So I just felt like, is it something I can live without? Probably, because there's always something that is kind of similar. So Picked For You. I do still have a few bars of this and I will definitely enjoy them. Okay, next I went through one of my bars of Fearless by Nature, which is the scent inspired by Frozen 2, the Sven character. He's so super cute, and this scent is really nice. This is I would say this is like a clean, earthy, masculine kind of scent. This is clean, and I say kind of earthy because there is like almost like an herbal kind of essence to this, but it's very clean, and like I said, kind of masculine, but really, really nice. So I had this going in our bathrooms. This one was really, really nice. And this was actually pretty strong too. So, and this is currently available, by the way. Available while supplies last. Okay, I also got through a bar of Apples and Oats. And I got through a bar of apple butter frosting. So these two I actually had going downstairs in alternating warmers, and it's wonderful. I love this. Apples and Oats surprises me. And I also feel kind of scarred from the What's Lisa Smelling segment in the vlogs. But I'm never gonna get this one wrong again, let me tell you. It's so nice. This really does smell like an apple oatmeal. I know that doesn't sound like it's super appealing, but it's so nice. And this is actually crazy strong. Love it. And I feel like it pairs perfectly with the apple butter frosting, because apple butter frosting is essentially like an apple cider meets a rich buttercream frosting. So this is a beautiful combination. Love these two together. And let's see here. I went through a bar of Dancing Sugar Plums. This one, let me know in the comments down below. How does this perform for you? This was a flop for me. I still have a couple of bars of this. So I'm wondering if this needs to be more of a bedroom, office, scentsy room kind of scent, because it's a smaller space. Downstairs, it got lost entirely. Like even in our bathroom downstairs, I had it and I couldn't smell it. Like I would put my face right over the warmer and I couldn't smell it. Like, okay, right over the warmer, I could smell it. But if I took a step back, I couldn't smell it anymore. So I was kind of surprised at that. So let me know in the comments if the Dancing Sugar Plums scent does anything for you. Maybe I just need to move it into a different area of the house, because it does make a difference where you're warming things. Okay, last but not least is from this Bring Back My Bar promotion that's going on right now. And I think I already put it into my club and it's gonna stay there. And that is Plum and White Woods. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is going in our bedroom currently. This is so pretty. This, Winter Fruity. This one, I believe this is the one that says there's raspberry preserves, and absolutely, I do smell the raspberry, but there is like kind of a romantic kind of woodsy note to this. This may have sandalwood in it. This may have amber, like there's a little bit of sweetness, a little bit, almost like a romantic musky, not romantic, I hate saying musky, but musky is a good thing for me. I think it's really pretty. But there is like the raspberry sweetness to it. That's absolutely beautiful. I think you can warm this anywhere in the house and it's appropriate. I can see it in the bathroom, in the bedroom, in your living room, in your kitchen. Like, I feel like this is a total versatile scent that you can enjoy anywhere in the house. Ugh, I love it. And I'm so happy that Scentsy brought it back. So Bring Back My Bar is going on right now during the month of December while supplies last, or throughout the month, just depending on if they last. We shall see. So there you have it. That is what I have gotten through over the last week. Let me know in the comments down below what you have been warming. Have you been doing some mixing? Let me know your thoughts on the performance of Dancing Sugar Plums, as well as your thoughts on the scents of the season. Scents, give me ideas. Did you mix cookies for Santa? Did you mix? Give me some ideas with what to do with these other bars. All right, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.